If you're new, guys, so hi.
What's that, Hannah?
It's a blind box. I love blind boxes
Why you like blind boxes?
because it's so beautiful. I'm
I
going
see.
to open it now.
What's inside in it?
I don't know. Why is it so hard to open?
Why don't you use a bigger scissor then?
Okay. Huh? Why is it that?
You can do it. Let me see.
I can't do
Oh, you
it.
draw?
I can't do it, Mommy.
Try it. Okay.
I can't do it. I need someone to help me.
Okay. I'll help you.
Okay.
Can I borrow that?
Yeah.
You hold it, please.
Yeah.
Okay. What is inside? I'm so excited.
Me too, Mommy. I'm going to get this.
Oh, what's that?
Mom, look. Some parts just got opened.
Be careful.
Okay. It got squished. I squished it. Sorry. Oops.
Ano ba yan?
Paper nails.
Oh. Oh, ang dami. Ang daming laman pala. Ilan yan?
Let me count through. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna get the one that's bulldog.
Oh, ilan yan? How many nail, nail, paper, fingernail?
It's, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, ilan?
4.
Wow. Ginawa mo yan? Ginawa mo yan?
Yeah.
Eh, galing-galing naman.
Ting, 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 ting. I have a 3D.
Ano pang nandito?
A squishy.
Squishy? Ano
Yeah.
squishy? Charan! Wow! What do you call this?
A bunny rabbit squishy.
Bunny rabbit squishy. Oh, lambot. Who made that?
You and me.
Is it?
Yeah,
It was
Papa.
it was Papa.
It was me and you and Papa.
Oh, it's a family project.
Yeah.
You love it.
Yeah.
Okay, so what are you gonna say to your friends?
Hi guys. Goodbye.
Do you like it?
Yeah. Guys, see you tomorrow.